Introducing the adjustable stand, designed to enhance your viewing experience with versatility and convenience. This sleek stand provides a stable and stylish base, perfect for various devices. Easily adjust the viewing angle to get the perfect setup for video calls, watching videos, or browsing information hands-free. The stand also features built-in USB-A and C charging ports, allowing you to keep your devices charged and ready to go. Available in two colors, black and white. This stand is designed to seamlessly blend with your device and room decor. Upgrade your experience with the adjustable stand, comfort, convenience, and style all in one. Get yours today and take your viewing experience to the next level. Now let's talk about the key features and tips for users. The stand allows adjustable viewing angles up to 18 degrees for optimal positioning. Non-slip pads on the bottom ensure stability even on smooth surfaces. For purchasing, verify that your device is compatible with the stand model and adapter. If your device doesn't turn on while on the stand, check the DC input and power connection. Ensure that the adapter matches the DC port specifications for a proper fit. Now, let's unbox this stand in front of you. Now, as you can see, it comes in a very sleek package. And this package, once you open it, you will see the stand out of the box. Now, it has a user manual as well in case you are planning to read more about it. And this is the bag and this is the stand. As you can see, it has a rubber in the bottom to avoid the stand from slipping on surfaces, and you can easily place your eco device here. Now here there is a DC socket so that you can plug it in to the eco show device, and on the bottom here we have USB and type C plus the input plug in here. So this is it, and underneath you can see the specifications. This one is for Show 8 first and second generation with USB-A and Type-C charging ports. The input is 18 volt 1.67 amp and the output is the same, and there is also an output on the USB-A up to 2.4 amp, and this model is ST68. That's it. Thanks for watching this video, and you can buy it from the link in the video description.